welcome to Monster Truck Classics. Merry Christmas to you. And this is number 2 truck that I'm going to be uploading here today, hopefully. And there will be a third one here on Christmas. This one is Whiplash. And even though it has a W, when we unbox it, we'll see the difference. And that is due to the licensing with Mattel and Marvel. Whiplash's emblem, the W, was placed on the truck so that trademarks. It's nice though that they did come out with a Whiplash truck. She is in Danger Divas, and we get Grave Digger, Son of a Digger, El Toro Loco, Radical Rescue, Blue Thunder, Cyclops, Sparkle Smash, and Dragon in Mix 9. So let's go ahead and unbox Whiplash. Here she is, the little figure. We'll see the poster first of all. Hey, there it is. Look, Whiplash is on Mix 9 poster. That's pretty cool. So you can see that the truck's name is on the real version of the truck. And so we're gonna take a look, and it's even on the top of the truck also. Let's go ahead and take a look at Whiplash. Wow, I like the wheels that they picked out to go along with the blue looking body, turquoise of Whiplash. We'll bring it up close here. And the design, some of that black design though, from looking at that picture, is not really on the truck, unless it depends upon when they took that picture of the truck. So that's talking about that, those little lines in there, and a little bit more design on the truck as well. But anyways, it's a pretty cool truck. The ladies will like it. It's a really nice design in the front of the truck. And there's the W right there on the hood. Very cool. Nice looking truck for the ladies. And on the back, tailgate, there you go. So that's even a little bit different. Usually this is black back here, but it's blue. I like it. Turning it around, and then up top on the roof, a W. So usually name of the truck would be up here as well. And on the side, hey, we got Whiplash, right? You know, trademarks are trademarks, so that's how it goes. But a very cool truck, diecast truck of Whiplash. So thank you for tuning in.